Hey guys, it's Colin here, and in this video we'll be discussing how to make affiliate videos without showing your face on camera. There are a few myths that we can address around this topic, and yeah, we'll do that in the next few minutes, so hang around. All right, let's get into it right away and bust the first myth of do you need expensive equipment to film yourself? And the answer to that is a resounding no. All you need to get started is a cell phone or a laptop with a camera. So there's no need to go out and buy any expensive specialized equipment. You may want to at a later stage, but certainly not to get started. And let's look at a few examples of affiliate videos. So yeah, I've done a search for videos, which is a video creation software. And if we scroll down the page, we'll see 3 videos that have appeared here. Now, 2 of these videos are created by a guy by the name of Antti Godinho. And on both of these videos, you don't see his face. So we don't even know what he looks like. But he's explained the product. In this one, he's done a review of videos. And he's shown some of the features, and all he's done is talked over the video. So at no point do we see his face. Now, I don't know if specifically this is a... well, let's not play it. If this is a affiliate video, but it could just as well be, and it is a very common way of promoting affiliate products, is to do a review of the product. So let's see, he's already had 18,000 views, nearly 19,000 views on this video. So that would be pretty good if he's promoting an affiliate product to have that many reviews. He'd get a lot of click-throughs to his product and ultimately purchases. So yeah, doing things like this, and that's been up since October 2019, which is a year and a half now, and he's still appearing on the first page of Google under that search. So it's you know, that's what's great about video marketing, is that if the video is relevant, it's going to stay up for a long time. So yeah, you know, there are millions of examples like this of video marketing software, and affiliate videos out there. Often you can't tell if they're affiliate videos because they're done in a way that might disguise that fact. But if they're leading you onto a product, there's a good chance it's an affiliate video. Of course, the next myth is you can't make affiliate videos if you can't speak English very well. Well, first of all, there are markets in other languages that you can make affiliate products. You don't have to do it in English. But even if you want to do it in English and you can't talk very well, or talk perfect English, or like myself, you have a bit of an accent, you can head over to a place like Fiverr, order some voiceover services, and they'll you'd have to pay for it, of course, but once again, don't feel shy to pay for something that's going to make you some money. So you know, as much as you can get a lot of free stuff, it is worth paying for certain things before you to get started. And yes, Animaker, that's a free text-to-speech app. So I've never used it, but there are plenty of apps like this out there. You can create human-like voices for your videos, and artificial intelligence has grown in leaps and bounds over the last year or two, and digital voices now are starting to sound harder and harder to distinguish them from the proper human voice. So yeah, certainly something to consider. And another way of doing affiliate products without showing your face is to share your screen, like I'm doing at the moment. And I'm using Zoom, where you start a meeting and you share your screen and you record the meeting, and you the only person on the meeting, so nobody, only you are seeing it, and yeah, you can record your screen and show that off to as your video. So yeah, this is a great free tool for sharing your screen. And if anybody ever wants proof of how to make money with affiliate videos, yeah, is my mentor Paul Murphy. He personally generated $1 million in 4 months with video ads, and he did that without showing his face. That's promoting affiliate videos. Look, there are times when you do need to show your face. If like Paul here, you are now creating a brand around yourself, so your name is your brand, then you're going to have to appear in videos. And he does appear in a lot of his affiliate videos these days, but when he started off, he did not appear in his videos personally. So yeah, so certainly let's categorically state, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, please understand you do not need to show your face on the videos. Don't let the fear of appearing on video be the reason not to get started with affiliate videos, because the market is wide out there. Don't forget, of course, even just simple slideshows, you know, using PowerPoint or even Google Slides, which is a free tool. Even that is, you can convert those into videos, and those are perfectly legitimate videos to promote a product. Yeah, so you know, once you start diving into this and learning more about it, you'll see there are so many options available to you. Yeah, it's really a market that is waiting to be tapped. So guys, don't delay, get started. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start earning money. Right, so yeah, you know, feel free to leave a comment in the comments below about any of the topics I've touched on. If you got any questions, post them below, I'll answer them. And yeah, in the next video, then we'll discuss running ads and pros and cons of that. Should you do it? Do you have to do it? Yeah, we'll talk about that. So thanks, guys. Until the next one, have a good one.